microscope, animal cells, like the human cheek cells on the left, and the plant cells, like those on the right, may appear to be completely different. While there are some key differences, plant and animal cells actually have more in common than you might think. This lesson will focus on the similarities and differences between these two types of cells. These diagrams of animal and plant cells will help us make our comparison. Both animal and plant cells contain a nucleus, which is encased in a nuclear membrane. The nucleus is responsible for storing genetic information. The nucleolus inside the nucleus is responsible for making ribosomes. Ribosomes, found in the cytoplasm, are able to read the genetic instructions from the nucleus and nucleolus and synthesize proteins. Both plant and animal cells also possess an endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short, which is the place where cell products like proteins and lipids are made. Both have a Golgi apparatus, or Golgi body, which is responsible for packaging and shipping the cellular products. The mitochondrion is an organelle that extracts energy from glucose to make ATP. The vacuole is a very prominent feature in plant cells, but nevertheless is still present in animal cells. Vacuoles are used for storage. Animals use them to hold food and sometimes pigments. Plants use them mainly to store water, although they may also be used to store pigments and even poisons. In both types of cells, all the organelles we just mentioned are suspended in a jelly-like fluid called the cytoplasm. Both animal and plant cells are bounded by the cell membrane, which is like a skin that controls the passage of substances into and out of the cell. Just outside the membrane in plants is the cell wall, which gives structural support to the plant and helps maintain cell shape. Animal cells do not possess cell walls. Another organelle found only in plant cells is the chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which is the pigment that makes plants green. Chlorophyll captures light energy from the sun so that the chloroplast can conduct the reactions necessary for photosynthesis. As there are organelles found only in plant cells, there are also organelles found only in animal cells. Cilia are hair-like extensions that jet out from the membrane of an animal cell. A flagellum is a long whip-like tail. Both of these structures are used for movement. Since plant cells don't move, they have no use for these structures. They are found only in animal cells. Another organelle found only in animal cells are the centrioles. Centrioles play a role in coordinating cell division. Even though plants lack centrioles, they are still able to conduct cell division just as well as animal cells. As you just saw, there are some key differences between plant and animal cells. However, I'm sure you'll agree that they have more organelles in common than they have differences.